Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to this series of understanding the basics of HTML. So in this video, I just want to talk about links, HTML links, how to color them, how to create bookmarks, and the likes. So what we've been covering to this point are HTag. Let's just create one here and say this is link 1 and save this. Should be here. Break from this and try to create 3 other links. Link 1, 2, 3. Okay. So by default, here is our links and how they will look like. So what I want to do is apply some styling here. But firstly, let me add some attributes and say this one is active and then add this one and this one as well. So this is our links. So the colors are the same and these are the default colors. So if we can go ahead here and say okay, for our links, let's do this. For the guy who's active, let's try and do this. Let's color him a dark color that we will clearly see. Red, okay, save. Let's just go ahead and say sometimes it doesn't appear, you have to say important. Just A. It's active. Okay, what's going on here? Okay, cool. So the active one will color it red and then the rest will have this. So let's go ahead and change these colors of the links themselves and say instead of being default blue, let's make you green. And then remove the background color, make it transparent, and text decoration, which should be none. So these, instead of being green, they should, instead of being blue, let's make them green now. These are green, if you can see them, and let's try another one and say hover. So when you hover over them, let's make them color pink. Let's make them important, and then we need these as well. So the problem is sometimes they don't show unless you add this important keyword. So if you can go ahead and say this one, let's not say pink, let's say black instead. if you go ahead and hover over them, they become black. Okay, cool. So the one other thing that we can do is something that we'll speak about later on, but I guess it's fitting that we tackle it right now. So we can do this. What happened here? Did I click something? Okay, so what we can do is Javascript and then void 0 and on click equals return add active. So let's copy this to all of them. Okay, cool. Active, and let's do this instead and add the keyword here, link 1, link 2, and then link 3. So inside the script here, let's just go ahead and create this function, value, and cool. And then let's go ahead and get our links. Calls to document dot get elements by tag name, which is the A tag. So since this is gonna be a list of elements, let's go ahead and say array from those lists dot for each, and then we say child okay. So what is it that we want here? So we'd say the child that we get from this list, we'd say your inner text if it's the same as the value that we get from as an input of this function, then we'd say child dot class list dot add. So on the class of this element we add active, else we remove the active. Child dot class list dot remove. Okay, cool. So it should, when you click one link, it should add an active. When you click the other, it should add active and remove the active from other links. So let's just go ahead and try and see. Something happened here. Everything is just green. I don't know why. Let me just remove this here. Let's just see if our function works. Cool. So it removes the class active from one element and adds it to the next, the one that is being clicked. So if you can go ahead and inspect our element, we would be in a position to see. It's taking forever anyway. And the one thing again that I want to include here is this link. Let me just include this link that would say this one. I would say bookmarks.html. So I would rename this to bookmarks. And let me just remove this. Okay, cool. So this is bookmarks.html. So what I wanted to show you is, see this class that has the active. If we can go ahead and click on link 1, see what happens. Link 1 has the active, and this one, the active is deactivated. If you go to 2, this one has active and this one has active deactivated. So the other thing, let's just go ahead and a file called bookmarks.html. And then within bookmarks, let's just create HTML. Let me just do this and close this. And go to bookmarks. HTML. This is super slow. And then on bookmarks, what we want to do is create 3 divs. And div 1, and then style, height of say 500 px, and background color of blue. So let me just go ahead. Another div and another one. So this is div 2 and div 3. So this one is blue, this one is red, and then this one is black. And let's go ahead and give this an ID of bookmark. Okay, so what we can do here is to navigate to our bookmark, is to do this. and we can break here. So on the bookmark here, it's not saved. I don't know why. Let's just go ahead and save it. Okay, cool. So if you can go ahead and click the bookmark, see, so bookmark came to this this one HTML document, and it went to the bookmark element. It just navigated, and now it's showing you this one, which is black. So that is links, how to color them and how to create a bookmark to navigate to that exact bookmark. So yeah, that's it on colors. That's it on the actual link and creation of the bookmarks to that link. So I hope to think this video was helpful. I hope you understood and you understand the benefits of creating these going forward. And I would really like to say, please guys, like, comment, subscribe if you haven't. Like I keep on saying, this is a motivation for me to keep on creating this content. Thank you guys. See you on the next one. Bye for now.